Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. So you guys, hey guys, I want to show you a realistic refresher in the middle of the week for me for my hair. So this is what my hair looks like before. You guys, I actually washed my hair on Saturday, and I think today will be Wednesday, but I needed to do another video, and I also needed to go out, just go out with my hair looking a little bit more decent. So this was a wash and go for me. So for me, how I refresh my hair, I don't like to get in the shower and take all of my hair down or get my hair drenching wet, because it takes forever for my hair to dry. So what I like to do is basically mist my hair with water and get my hair really saturated, misting it without it dripping. I hope that makes sense. Like, I get my hair saturated with water, but I make sure that I'm not getting it drenching wet, because I am going to go to sleep. So this is about probably 7 o'clock at night, you guys. That is a sock in the back of my shirt, because my tag was bothering my neck, and then I just finally decided to cut the tag off. But this is at nighttime, so I don't like to go to sleep with my hair dripping wet and my pillow getting wet anymore. So what I like to do is just thoroughly massage the water in my hair, making the products that I put in my hair before, which is my DIY gel that I make. So that's what I'm going to be re-putting in my hair, is a my DIY gel. I do have a video on how I make my own DIY gel, and hopefully if I remember, I can put that video down in the description box for you guys. But that gel is so slippery, and it helps add like a moisture to my hair. I also put oil in it now, so it adds like a really good moisture situation with my hair, and it also gives me great hold. So what I'm doing once again is just making sure my hair is thoroughly moisturized. I am making sure that I'm rubbing that water into my hair, because you guys seen how dry my braids were. Wow, and my son's dinosaur just went off. But you guys, nevertheless, just making sure that my hair is really moisturized, front, back, making sure I'm opening up that hair, making sure I'm getting the nape of my head, making sure that I am really rubbing this warm water. If I didn't mention, I have warm water in my bottle in my hair to reactivate those old products. And then I'm going to continue with styling my hair. You guys, I'm not going to talk through this whole video, because I think I've done pretty well with only having one interruption. But you guys, it's going to be pretty self-explanatory. One thing that I make sure that I don't do is tie my head, like my ties on my hair, really tight, because I have been experiencing the shedding, but my shedding has stopped. So I'm making sure that I'm doing my hair in really loose, low manipulated styles. And here I'm showing you guys the texture of the gel, but I'm really making sure that I am babying my hair at this point, because I don't want to pull out any extra hairs that are not needed. And I'm making sure that I am keeping the front of my hairline really well hidden and taken care of, so that it has all the room to grow. So yeah, you guys, that's what I'm doing. Once again, I really hope this video makes sense. This is just the way that I refresh my hair in the middle of the week. If I know that I'm going somewhere and I need my hair to look really good. So let me know if this is how you refresh your wash and go, because technically, like I said, this is my wash and go. So let me know if this is how you refresh your hair, instead of like getting in the shower and trying to redo the whole situation. And then you guys, since it was Wednesday, I will wash my hair again on either Friday or Saturday, and my hair looked great for the rest of the week. So yeah, you guys, please keep watching. Leave comments down below if you try this hairstyle. Oh yeah, guys, and if you're wondering what's in this black bottle, it's my DIY hair growth oil, but I really don't like calling it a hair growth oil, but it really helped my hair stop shedding, and I think that it did play a big role in my edges growing back. But this is my DIY oil. I get that question a lot. It's like, what's in the black bottle? But it's just my anti-shedding hair growth oil that I make. So that's what's in this black bottle. And I love to do the LOC method. I mean, the LCO method, which is liquid, cream, and then oil. So that's the method that I like to use to lock in all that moisture. And you guys will see that I lather this oil all over my hair in a lot of videos. Like, I oil my hair all the time. So that's what's in that black bottle. So you guys, please continue to watch. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is just put my silk rag on my head and then sleep with this overnight. You guys, I am going to have the same shirt on in the morning because I literally popped out of bed and was like, I need to hurry up and give you guys the end result so I can come through with my end result. And then I got ready for the day because if you know, whenever you do your hair, you just kind of sleep with the thing that you did your hair in. I don't know. I'm that way, especially if my shirt and stuff isn't really that wet or whatever, but I don't like to try to pull my shirt off of my head. So you guys, this is the next morning. Like I said, I literally rolled out of bed and was just like, boom, camera on, y'all, giving you waves, giving you shine, giving you moisture and everything. So you guys, I really hope you like this end result, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.